Yeah, it's been ice capades out here.
Here, anything that may have temporarily not frozen yesterday has certainly done so overnight.
The side streets will likely remain slick since we don't expect to get above freezing.
Winter wonderland, and snow is here. It's coming down hard.
Let it snow.
So, it's a snow day here in Dallas. It's mostly like sleet though, so it kind of hurts the face. But how sweet is this? Dallas looks pretty good with a blanket of snow, I must say. It is completely dead in the city. It is like 25 degrees. It is beautiful, and I can't believe people say Texas doesn't have, doesn't get the seasons. Definitely gets the seasons. As you can tell, entire streets are just completely empty. The city's empty. This is cool. This looks really good on Dallas. There's just no one out. No one out and about. At the American Airlines Center now. If the Stars have a game today or tomorrow, I think the game should be outside. Like the Winter Classic. This is still so wild. There's just no one. There's no one outside. There's one very eager runner over there.
It's the perfect texture for running, very low impact.
Letting, just enjoying it. One thing, oops.
I would love nothing more than to fly my drone right now, but there's no way this is in the operating temperatures or elements of a DJI drone. So, not gonna risk it. That thing would fall for sure right out of the sky. The sleet would not help the blades. So last year, polar vortex, this year, whatever you call this. Seems like once a year, Dallas is always gonna have some kind of winter storm. I don't mind it. However, I can probably guarantee there's a lot of Texans that do not appreciate this weather. This is probably, they probably moved here to get away from this, and now they're getting it all the same. As you can see, they're trying to salt some stuff, but I don't know if Texas is properly salted and ready for these conditions. All right, we recruited some people for Snow Fun.
It's me.
Are you Mario?
Yes.
It's me, Mario. Hello.
I'm not sure about Dallas drone laws, but we're gonna soon figure that out.
Security guard right down
Yeah,
there.
there's a security guard down there. He seems relaxed.
He's playing with toy cars.
We're well outside of the operating temperature of this thing. Could be a quick way to see how fast a drone can die. That's gonna So far so good. The security guard just walked past. Didn't say anything. He's coming back actually. Never mind. Can you pick up the camera?
Yeah. Oh God, how slippery. Me holding the camera.
Yeah. You can fly your drone as long as you don't fly it right there, right. Or the Fiddle building.
That building or that building?
Yeah.
Got it.
You can fly right there.
It's not there.
Yeah.
Got it.
There, let me say, he's right there.
Yeah. That is, it still blows my mind that they're that lax about the drones in general.
Yeah.
Oh, like where the building is?
Like
that?
Discovery District.
Hi there, Fluffy. I know, it looks like a toy. It looks like a toy. So the security guard did end up coming over to tell me where I could and could not fly my drone. And it really wasn't anything besides like 2 specific buildings that I couldn't go near. That was it. Everything else was very lax. No issues at all. If this was San Francisco, there's no way they'd allow me to fly that drone anywhere. So Dallas, very lax drone laws. I'm trying to get a shot where I go right through the trees. However, there's a bunch of people and dogs, and I don't want to hit anybody or ruin anyone's day. So the drone's just hovering right there until I can do it. Yes, go. Skills. Yeah, let's go. Okay. I think the snow day is over. My hands are so freaking cold. I started to not be able to feel them when I was flying the drone. I did want to go to a parking lot and do donuts, but Kelly and I both have vetoed that decision due to just being a little too chilly. So Dallas snow day is over with. Thank you, Kelly, for joining along.
Yes.
I tried to get that shot I was talking about. I think the SD card was full.
Did you get the one with like the flag?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't think so. Yeah, yeah, that was, I'm pissed. Whatever, I know.